After you've logged in, you're going to be taken to this home page where you're going to see a link to the social calendar and templates for the upcoming days. We're going to cover this in an upcoming video. Across the top, you have some navigation items, which you'll also find replicated on the side here. Let's take a look at these. We have support. You can click here if you need to email support and get help. We have settings. Here you can come in, adjust your social accounts, which you also find on the side here. And you can make edits to change your password, update your email address. On the side here, you can also log out. And one more thing I want to show you in this video is the mobile apps. Now for Instagram and TikTok, in order to post those, you're going to need our special app, which you can get from either the Google Play App Store or the Apple App Store. Just click on whichever one you need. For example, Google Play. You can hit install if you're logged in your Google account, and you can have it pushed automatically to your phone. Or you can just copy and paste the URL, enter it into the browser on your phone. And that's it for this introduction. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to link your social media accounts into the app. Now, I'm going to teach you how to create your first video. There's two different starting points for this. The social calendar, which you see here, some upcoming dates, or the template bank. Let's start out with the social calendar. So we click on this, we get a calendar of all pre-made templates. Now there's going to be a year's worth of templates, 365 days, and every day is going to have a pre-made template. If it's a specific holiday, for example, here's February 14th, we have a Valentine's Day template, we have a President's Day template, and others we just have fun templates, Hug Day, Wisdom Wednesday, Monday Blues. So we just choose a template that we'd like to use. You can see we get a preview, you can watch it. Now some of these templates are generic and we can use as is. We can just hit share, choose our social media platform, and just immediately post it. But some videos we want to customize to change, add a company logo or to tweak the text, and that we'd click edit and we can customize. I'll show you that in a second here from the template bank. One last note here, we have a choose platform option. We can choose different places like YouTube, because that's going to have a different formatted video. For example, it's going to be a 16:9 widescreen versus other ones that may be a square video. So you want to choose your platform here first before you share your video. Now let's go into the template bank. Now this is a little bit different. So here we choose our service to start out with. Let's say we're going to make a Facebook video. And we have some templates to choose from. Pick one, we get a preview. When we like it, we can customize it, we create video. Now this is the same place you'll end up with if you'd been on the social calendar and you choose edit. You come to the same wizard where we can customize this. Now we can change all the text. You can see there's length limitations. You can see the kind of the counter here and get a warning. There's only so much text you can fit into each line. And we can customize this image here. So we choose this button here. We can either choose something from our library, we can browse to upload from our computer, or we can come into Pixabay or Unsplash and find royalty-free images that we can use. You can search for something, and we can choose an image we'd like to use. But for this, let's use this image I've uploaded here. Click on it. You have the option to crop it, but this is good as is. So let's hit choose, and you can see my logo appears here. So this is all good. Let's go on to the next step. We can customize the color scheme. So we have our primary text color, our secondary text color, and if we want to choose something else, we can pick here. Here's like a green theme, a blue theme, yellow and red, or we can customize it and either paste in a color code or use a picker here, get exactly the color we want. Let's continue, and we can choose the music. Now the option for silence or no music, or we can pick any of these tracks. Get a little preview, hit play. If we like it, just hit the button next to it, the little plus, and that becomes the music for the track. You can see it up here, and we can play. So we hit next, we're all good. We start rendering, and we're taken to the Projects tab. So this is where all of our videos go. You can see, here's the one we just created. It's queued, means it's getting ready to render. This one here is one I've already done. You can see it's completed. This one here is a draft. So this one didn't render. We just kind of left it as we're working on it. We can hit the edit button to come back in and finish it. Or any of these, we can come back in, edit, make adjustments. We can delete them. We can do a search. So if you have a lot of videos, you can start typing in the name to filter them down. You can also sort by, right now it's showing all videos, but I could show only the completed videos or only the draft videos. I know I have to come in and finish. It's completed. We can see a preview. We can download the file to our computer, or we can share it. And this is what I'm going to cover in the next video. Now, let's add some social media accounts into the app. Click Social Accounts. You can see across the top here, these are all the supported platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Vimeo. These work differently depending on which service you're using. For example, let's link our YouTube account, and it's going to find our currently logged in Google account. This is the one we want to use. We just click, and it's authorized and appears in the list. Now some of these work a little different. For example, if we want to link our TikTok account, it just needs our account name without the @ or any special symbols. And it's similar, for example, if we want to add our Pinterest account, we click, and it's linked. It's the same for all of these. And now that we've added a couple of accounts, in our next video, I'm going to show you how to use the social calendar and the template bank to create your own videos. I'll show you how we can share it to different social media platforms. We start from projects, and we have our completed video here. Let's click on it and click share. Now, depending on which social media platform you choose, there's different integrations. This top list here, these are all fully automatic if you have a linked YouTube account. A quick note, if you're posting to LinkedIn, it's going to first upload to your YouTube account and then post that video automatically to your account. You click, choose our account, choose our name, and hit post now. It'll automatically post to our YouTube account. If it's mobile assisted, like Instagram or TikTok, it's going to send it onto the app. And if it's a pop-up, it's going to give us a little wizard, and it's going to help you through the steps to post to that platform. Let's jump back to YouTube, pick our account, our title. Now again, if we hit post now, it'll post immediately, but we can also schedule this for the future. So for example, if I come in here, I pick another date, another time, and hit schedule, it's scheduled. Now if we come to scheduled posts, we can see this post is pending to post tomorrow at 5. It'll be automatically uploaded. Come to completed. We posted some in the past. We'd see them here. You can also hit new post and upload an MP4 from any source and use the same scheduling system. Let's go back into our projects and let's look at some of the other ways to share. Now TikTok, like I said, is going to use our mobile app. So we set this up the same way. We choose our TikTok account. And when I hit post now, I'm going to get a notification on the phone. We'll continue from there. Let me show you that. And you can see I just got a notification on my phone. We can either jump into the app here, or I can tap this notification, take it into the app. I want to check notifications. And there's the video that was just posted 15 seconds ago. So click on it. There it is. We can download it. We can share this on TikTok. It's downloading the video. Open TikTok. Then we create a new post and choose that video out of our gallery. And finally, let me show you one of these pop-up based ones. For example, if we're going to post to Pinterest, it's going to give us a little wizard. We choose our title. We hit upload, and it's actually going to upload the video to YouTube first. It's going to give us the URL. We'll copy the URL, and it's going to take us to a post. We'll paste in that URL and create our Pinterest post. And that's it. That's everything you need to know to use our software to create your own posts using templates from either Template Bank or our social calendar and post them to social media.